Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be showing you the location for the battery on Audi Q7. So the location is on the left hand side under the passenger seat. Right, so to start off with, we're going to remove these covers, one on each side. Okay, that's one, and the other one is just here. There we go. That's the cover removed on both sides. So these are the two bolts, one on left hand side, the other one is on the right hand side. So we'll have to undo these bolts and the seat will tilt back. So just going to do that now. Right, we are using our Draper's CRV M10 bit to undo these two bolts. Okay. There we go. That's the left hand side bolt out of the way. So now we're going to do the right hand side, just here. There we go. There we go friends, that's that removed. Right, before we tilt the seat we'll have to remove these covers here, one on each side. Okay, this trim cover, we're just gonna slide out like this. There we go. Right friends, there were two clips at the front for the battery cover and there are two at the back. So in order to remove the clips at the back, there's one bolt just here which I've just removed, and then you remove this cover off. Okay, and this is where the other two clips are. So we're just gonna remove these two, just gonna open these two clips. Okay, just like that, and that will release the whole cover. There we go. Now that we have freed all four clips, and we've got the full access to the battery now. In order to free the battery, there's a clamp here, this one here, which you'll have to undo, and one at the bottom just there, which I'm pointing out. So if you ever need to change the battery, that's how you free it. Okay, and a couple of fuses here as well, as you can see, and a relay. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.